Welcome to Davis Chevrolet in Airdrie. This is a brand new 2014 Chevrolet Cruze. It has automatic front headlights, a forest green exterior. Let's look at the inside. The inside has power locks, power side mirrors, power windows, automatic front headlights, high beam lights, interior light option, steering wheel cruise control, a leather wrap steering wheel, digital and analog odometers and gauges, including a trip computer, Bluetooth and stereo steering wheel controls, a front airbag, traction control, automatic transmission with manual option, temperature controls with air conditioning, passenger front airbag sensor, power locks, CD player, AM/FM satellite radio, user-friendly touchscreen, USB and auxiliary ports, electronic rearview mirror with OnStar. And the back seat spaciously fits 3 passengers. This Cruze is an LT model, has plenty of cargo space, comes with a compact spare tire, rear tinted windows, and rear curtain airbags. Come down to Davis Chevrolet in Airdrie and see the new 2014 Chevrolet Cruze and take it for a test drive today.